What's up, everybody? Logan here, and FT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as a trading platform, and we'll discuss about that. And I'm sure you can generate best return. The name of this website is highpaybot.com. So, welcome to this platform. So before start explaining, let me tell you first that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your only study this platform, and if you think it can generate best returns, so basically it's for trading. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, because it's perfect idea, because you will be updated with the upcoming videos also, and you can generate best return also. So guys, there are plenty of options are available in this platform. You can generate bonuses also. The first level deposit bonus, you can see 10 USDT. There's plenty of bonuses, deposits levels is available. You can easily check it out. So it's a perfect idea to join now, and you can generate best return, and percentages are given like 99.9 USDT, 5%. Next, you can see 249 USDT, 10%. So percentages are available, and the levels are available. So it's a best option for you, and you need to study fast and join their community, and you will be satisfied to see all the details regarding this project. So let's move forward, and I will tell you how you can join this. Plenty of users already joined this platform, and still it's early launch, 6 days, and you can see this is massive achievement of this project. Million of dollars of investment you can see here, deposit and total withdrawal you can see. So each and everything is in front of your face. How you can earn, so this is the way how you can earn. And AI trading board game even you can play, and how you can buy the boat, and you have to buy the boat also, and you can see upgrade high bay boat, how you can upgrade. So all the options are very simple and easy for you. Okay, so please don't miss any part of this project, because I will show you and I will guide you as I can, and I will tell you all the details. Here are the news that's available regarding this platform, and what we offer. So what kind of offer they are providing you, you can easily watch that, and you can see it in next question and query, or the discussion is going on already, the people who are invested in, so what kind of what they think about this platform. So each and everything is perfect, because it's very important to visit those people who already invest in that, and frequently ask questions, and you can see the rules and regulations, and you can get the answer at the same time. So regarding this platform, so it's very important, because each and everything is perfect and in front of your face. You can easily visit, you can watch that, you can study first, and I'm sure in last 6 days how much they achieve, it's a huge achievement, and I'm sure you will be satisfied with that. Spot panel, so first you need to register. It's very important, so I will tell you how you can register. Just post your username, your email, and after that password. And when you complete this process, so you will be log in easily. You can register yourself. So I have already registered myself. I just sign in. You have to save your password, because it's very important when you withdraw. You have to use that same password. So you will click on I'm not bot. That it's for verification that you are not a robot. You're a human. So login and press on login. So here we go. You can see the balance for purchase. So you need balance, deposit, withdraw. So each and everything will be mentioned, and you can see the claim reward. You can easily claim. So how much you can claim here. So you can see all the details is mentioned here. नेक्स्ट डैशबोर्ड की डिटेल्स एंड नेक्स्ट आप यहाँ पे डिपॉजिट की डिटेल देख सकते हैं. हाउ यू कैन डिपॉजिट, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इफ़ यू वांट टू डिपॉजिट 100 USDT suppose, so you need 200 USDT, and you can see the details is given 10% bonus also. So pay, when you click on pay, so you can easily come on this page. Okay, so wait a minute. So you will copy the TRC20 address. So it's given in the project. So you will copy the address, go back to your trust list, or if you are using Binance, so you can go back to your Binance, and you can easily get, and you will post your email also, and you will be replied that your payment has been done. So it's very simple, and after that you will collect your reward income, so it will be directly start. So at the moment I didn't post any amount, it's just for the demo. I'm telling you how you can start working, how the speed and the way it's working, and I'm sure you can generate best reward from here. So income per day 0.37 USDT, and insert per day 1.48%, spent $25. So आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से daily bonuses, as far as the daily bonuses are concerned, here you can see already people had got massive bonuses. You can see all the details, latest 20 bonuses, the huge bonuses have been collected by the people who are investing already. You can see here the dollar 11,500 USDT, and price and funds and lucky draws, so each and everything is perfect. तो यहाँ पे आप यहाँ पे लकी विनर भी बन सकते हैं, and you can refer your friends and family. This is the best option. When you refer someone and they invest via your referral link, so you will be rewarded 5%. तो यहाँ से आप massive income को generate कर सकते हैं. It's a perfect idea. And after that, if you have any question and query, or you want to withdraw, so withdraw is so simple, like you deposit, you have to go back to your Trust Wallet or Binance, you will copy the address, and easily done. If you have any questions, you can join their community, and you will be updated with upcoming news. Hope for the best. We will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.